Welcome to the Mini Orange. We are going to configure Discord with the Drupal OAuth client. Go to the Extend and click on the Install New Module button. You can download the module from the link below. Download Mini Orange OAuth client module from here. Choose the download as zip file and click on Install button. Click on Enable newly added modules. Search Mini Orange OAuth client here and click on Install button. Click on Configuration and select Drupal OAuth client configuration. Select Discord here. Enter app name here. You can add the login link here. Now, go to the Discord console. Log in here with Discord credentials. Click on New Application button. Enter application name here and click on Create button. Copy client ID from here. Paste client ID over here. Copy client secret. Paste client secret over here. Go to the OAuth 2 tab and click on Add Redirect button. Copy redirect URL from here. Paste redirect URL over here and click on Save Changes button and click on Save Configuration button. Click on Test Configuration button. Click on Authorize button. Click on Configure Attribute Role Mapping button. Copy email. Paste the email attribute. Copy username. Paste the username attribute and click on Save Configuration button. Let's see how it works. Open a new browser or private window and go to your Drupal site. Now, click on this link to initiate the SSO from Drupal. Log in here with Discord credentials. You have successfully logged into the Drupal site using Discord credentials. If you have any questions or concerns, or in case you need any sort of assistance in configuring the module, please reach out to us at drupalsupport@securify.com.